Princess. Lumingaw si Princess, brother dyan. So ayan guys, for today's video guys, pupunta kami doon ni brother dyan, makita si brother James niya guys. Makita mi niya kay muli na siya unya karong gabi iyang flight guys sa Alabama. Basta mo na to siya guys. Ano siya guys? Dito mi sa SM guys.
Sige lang pa. Nagatusik yan dito ha?
Kay si Sun ba? Hulaton. Kay mag-ilis. Trabaho mo sa babae. Hulaton. Napay tricycle ga hulat. Ikaagi. SM Genzang. Second floor talo?
Dito sa ground floor. Oh, balik ka kasi. Oh, balik sa dito.
Ilang tao sa ilalom. Nagkakaig sulod sa kong nauna. Sa natin sa second floor, third floor. Toyo. Oh, mga ayo lagi ni diri lag sa ilalom.
Sadya ka.
May bakante oh.
Doon ka sa landong.
Manday diri. Nagubagtas sa pasulod.
Iso mo daw buwang panda.
Lamang.
Lamang. Oops. Away yan. Good for ano?
Anong crust po? Pan, large, stuffed crust, tapos ano?
Ayan, ilaw.
May makapan, manipis.
Yan, yung makapan.
Yung makapan. Okay, anong size po? Regular, large, special.
Large.
Wala mo ito.
Ay, mo chicken son?
Ayaw eh, samot.
Yung soup. Tatlo.
Okay, anong soup po?
Yung ano, yung...
Ito, ito.
Ayun.
Shrimp soup.
Yan ang soup yan.
Tatlo sila.
Yung chicken yun. Ay, mo kanon.
Ano sir?
Ito ang sa akin. Chicken with stock. Sa'yo.
Tihon, tiyaga.
Chicken with rice ka? Ayun, tatlo na lang ito. Chicken with ano.
Tatlo.
Tapos ang... Anong drink yun? Sito?
Ano din sir sa Nami Picture? Ari. Glass, bottom na sir picture. Sa Taste Pepsi, Mountain Dew, 7-Up.
Mountain Dew. Ito, tea na lang ata.
Tea na lang.
Itong 75 glass ito. Ito?
Iced tea.
Apo.
Iced tea glass lang sir. Ito. Tatlo lang sir.
Okay, teka mo lang.
Live picture sir.
May picture na lang mo. Picture na lang. Ayun na.
Ano sir, ang soft drink, ang iced tea ito. Ang soft drink sa Pepsi, Mountain Dew, 7-Up.
Ito, Mountain Dew na lang.
Mountain Dew, picture. Ito po.
Yan.
Dito na ito. Bili lang.
Yung pauna na lang muna yung soup, pauna. Na lang sir.
Thank you, brother John.
Thank you guys.
Sila gusto ko ng sir kay Duel. Duel, dua ka pick up.
pa.
Sige, picture na. Picture na.
Sige. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Baka paborito mo rin tagdalaran. Our favorite.
Memorable
Who took
night.
that? Did you do that?
My sister Lilibet.
Do you remember this? Yeah, barely. Just a little bit. That was fun, man.
We're about to compromise our faith.
Nagsayaw.
Doing voodoo.
Budot.
That's no voodoo, man.
And now we need to see the brother Naidin.
Oh, it's Brother Benson there too.
Yes,
right?
brother Vince and also brother John Ford. Brother Vince, kahit kay gawak si
John
Benson.
Ford. John Ford.
Gara-gara, man na yate. Gara-gara, Jampol.
I don't...
Ang sayaw ni John Paul, murag kinalakan ng
Yes.
tao ba?
Taan ka din sa tao.
Tanawa. He was excited John Ford ba? Ang John Ford, kaya excited ni John Ford.
Agi may isa kuan underpass. Itong first agi na mo diri is kuan. Dili pa to. Yuta pa to. Dili pa yung ani. Kaya diretso may airport guys. Atod kay Brother Chan. Dek gasolina.
Mari mo isok pa rin. Kagi lang kastanin lang sa Manila.
Oo eh. Madlok ko eh. Madako pa yung pusti no.
Grabe no?
Si Banyas na no, naglingkod. Itiwas na lang eh. No?
Balik siya. Grabe na. Tao ba? Kung gusto na kong
Ito model.
Oo, bago nga model. Normal. Yay! Dali na, doon na, malapit na.
Bachi pa man lang din ay. Ikuan pa siya. Oh.
Oo, wala.
Ang yan na si... No? Ikuan under construction.
Sabihin mo muna si Anders Construction.
That-
Yung dapat yun lang kasi.
Going to airport. Malapit na. Airport. Airport. Ano sila sa loob?
Opo.
Anong kauban, sir?
Hello, sir. Morning, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Not morning.
Morning na.
Bye-bye.
po,
Official
sir.
nila.
Afternoon.
Morning to, sir.
Not morning. Good afternoon. Good evening na. Airport.
Airport.
Yes. Where are you going, Bray?
Airport.
Going to
Airport.
airport.
Yeah,
Why?
Can we have one public fees?
Ala, it's in the store. It's in the store.
Yes.
Taas pala po yung airport.
Yes.
And phone is support. Wala tao ro.
Slow down. General Santos City. Welcome to General Santos City Airport.
Yes. Ito, airport.
Dati siya isa daw trabaho.
What is that?
Aysa.
Tingkat.
Tara, tara.
Yes.
Yes.
Sa airport.
Asa mo pa niya?
Hindi nagka-park oh.
Ito. Wala yung ako.
Kasi nagsulod na si Brother Chan.
Naman siya.
Wala ka kanina. Kami lang.
Sila siguro.
Baka doon na sa loob.
Apa.
Doon na siya sa loob.
Apa.
Landing man na di ako. Oh, no. Park pa. Oh, di ka nag-glass, oh.
Wala namang tapa sa picture, bro. Gay mo ba? Gay mo.
Oo. Oh, bless mami, oh. Natagom na siya. Tura si brother Jan. Ah, princess. Kilala naman. Mingaw na po si princess. Brother Jan. Grandpa daw. Say bye-bye, brother Jan, Bre. Bre! Princess, mingaw na po na si princess. Ana, oh, bye-bye ka. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Bre. Check-in area. Bye-bye na, Bre. Mingaw na po si princess. Mingaw na po si princess. Bre, oh, crying out tita princess, oh. Yun na. Bre. Mingaw na po si ate princess. Oh, picture di ate. Nindot kayo, oh. Picture mo, picture kayo. Dali na, maritos pa ka diya. Dali na. Dali na.
Check na po niyang bag.
Ha? Mugawas na po na siya, kuya.
Tapos check na po niyang bag.
Ah. Mingaw, brother Johnny, murag di ka ulion. Ali. Picture rami, King, dali. King, picture rami.
Let me see you, sweet pie. There are some. Here you go.
Brother John.
Hey, who put that in your hair? Hey, buddy. I remember you. You sweetheart.
Anak kami soon.
Sadak, lalaki man, dokter, mana babae.
Ah, sweet.
Dumingaw na po si
Yeah, I had
princess.
trouble with my bag. Oh, I tried to find it through. It says, you mind if we look in your bag? Come to find out there was my utility knife and a little pair of scissors in my carry-on. I don't know how it got in there.
And then what happened? They put inside.
Well, I never found it. They
Nabili na
went
sila,
back to the
Tiklor.
scanner
Ayun,
and they
Griselda.
didn't see it. They said, what in the world? You can't carry a utility knife on a plane. That's no way. What's your birthday? When is your birthday?
On Friday.
February 28th. January 28th. No, how about that? Hey, Bray.
Robert.
Ala. Wala
Ray,
kasi
ikaw.
alam si Turot.
Hey, look, your birthday present coming early. Look at that. Look at that, dog. What do you think about that? You like that? Oh, my goodness. Hey, how much money do I need
Thank
here in Manila? Maybe 700, 600? I shouldn't need more than that, right? I need to keep some pesos. Or do I? Or you keep that. Yeah. I just don't like being without pesos.
Okay, magkakaroon mo na sa Manila.
Don't think you 30,000? We don't start boarding until a little
Yeah, you didn't think of it inside. Kasi na siya mag-consult.
I don't know.
Mahulog din bataan eh.
Right.
Mingaw na pudla. mingaw, mingaw na po si Princess. Muli chrome dun. Bye-bye. Princess. Mingaw si Princess, brother dyan. Ah!